Realtors, imagine an AI so smart, so human-like, it feels like you're chatting with a business partner who never sleeps. Well, OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT 4.5, and let me tell you, this isn't just another boring update. It's your ticket to dominating the real estate market in ways you've never thought possible. But there's a catch. It's not what you think. So stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how you can start using it today to blow away your competition. Now here's the real kicker. Earlier versions of ChatGPT had one big problem: hallucinations. For a realtor new to the term, a hallucination in AI is when the model confidently provides information that's completely inaccurate or made up, like claiming your $500,000 listing is a spaceship ready for launch. It's essentially the AI's way of filling gaps with incorrect guesses instead of factual data, which can seriously damage credibility in a professional setting. But guess what? With ChatGPT 4.5, those problematic hallucinations have dropped drastically from 61.8% with GPT 4.0 to 37.1% with 4.5. So now we're cooking with gas. But what's going to help you avoid that 37.1%? Proper prompting techniques. So comment GPT if you want free access to my Quick Start AI Accelerator course, where I will teach you proper prompting. All right, so let's take a step back though. Why does this even matter to you as a realtor? Well, it's simple. Content creation, social media posts, scripts, conversational interactions with leads, and email responses, and more. ChatGPT 4.5 handles all of this effortlessly, saving you tons of time. But there's something else you need to know before you jump in and start burning through the prompts. So here's the deal. ChatGPT 4.5 isn't your go-to for deep dive market analytics or managing entire projects. For those types of deep analysis tasks like crunching complex market data, deep research, you're still going to need ChatGPT 4.0 and specialized reasoning models like O1 or O3 for your project management and your complex projects that just need that human chain of thought process. So here's the secret sauce that's going to transform your workflow. You want to start with GPT 4.0 just to gather the precise data-driven insights, statistics, and market trends. Then, armed with this detailed information, you're going to seamlessly switch to ChatGPT 4.5 to create engaging scripts, killer social media content, persuasive emails, and eye-catching creative materials. This strategic combo is a total game changer, delivering content that's not only accurate, but irresistibly engaging to your audience. It's pure gold. Now for the important part, efficiency. You're capped at 50 prompts per week, and trust me, those prompts fly by faster than you'll expect, so be strategic with it. Gather your data first with 4.0 and then hand the ball over to 4.5. This is going to keep your workflow streamlined and make you look like a marketing genius to your clients. And if you think this is just another AI that'll get stale quickly, well, you're dead wrong, because OpenAI is planning to consolidate all of their specialized models into a single powerhouse, which will be GPT-5, and we're expecting this by late 2025. And GPT-5 isn't just another incremental update either. It's going to be slated to become a comprehensive AI system that intelligently selects the best internal model automatically based on exactly what you're trying to accomplish. So this means no more manual mode selection, fewer computational demands, automatic task optimization, and streamlined efficiency that keeps your productivity sky high. We're talking about a future where your AI tools seamlessly adapt to your real estate business, allowing you to stay focused on what really matters: connecting with clients and closing more deals. So, are you going to be playing catch up, or are you going to be leading the charge? All right, guys, here's the deal. ChatGPT 4.5 is live and changing the game for realtors everywhere. So whether it's scripting your YouTube videos, crafting social media posts that actually convert, or building your personal brand effortlessly, this is your time to act. And if you're serious about leveraging AI to dominate the market, then drop GPT in the comments. I'll hook you up with free access to the Apex Elite AI Quick Start AI Accelerator course and free access to the Apex Elite AI community with over 900 agents just like you wanting to learn AI to level up their business. So hit that subscribe button, smash the like if you found this helpful, and share it with a realtor friend who's ready to take their business to the next level. Until next time, keep innovating, keep crushing it, and I'll catch you on the next one.